When it comes to fishing or spending a day on the water, one thing it's generally not is stressful, but one place it can be is at the boat ramp. And one thing I like to first start off with is parking somewhere that's out of the way. I like to park off to the side, where that way I can take off my trailer straps, take off the transom saver for the engine, trim up the kicker engine, obviously make sure the drain plugs in. But this is also where my rain gear is going in the boat, maybe any lunch or ice that I need to, and probably taking off the strap in the front of the boat or at least loosening it so that way when I back the boat in it can at least release a little bit. But I want to get this all out of the way before I make it to the ramp or I congest anything. Because 9 times out of 10 I also need to get a boat launch pass, and that takes time. And it moves into the whole, launching the boat process. I'm gonna pick an area where I can make a nice tight, swing where I can basically pull my boat and truck as far forward as possible to back straight in. And I'm gonna try to use and park my boat next to the ramp that I use with my truck and trailer. The last thing I wanna do is to have my truck take up one spot and my boat take up another one tied up while I'm trying to go through this whole process. Obviously restricting other people if there's any around. But it goes the same thing with parking the truck. One less thing I have to worry about if I'm congesting a ramp and there's people trying to rush and get around my equipment, I'm gonna have to worry about what may happen. So it's just one of those things where I'm gonna park my truck, get back to the boat, but I'm trying to make the minimal footprint as possible, making my day a lot less stressful and hopefully someone else's as well.